Mnangagwa's boys continue to rise. Sabe namashukano kuda panguva inochonekwa kunzi Mnangagwa's sons, especially his two twins, panguva idai onekwa kunzi they are being elevated. Recently we have seen Sean Mnangagwa achipromotwa for the military, achiassume a higher position. Chituko chakaridza maspeculations pamusoro those appointments. Sara pina mashukano kuda nyuka panguva ino pamusoro the two Mnangagwa sons. Kuti vasubscribe or like on the bell icon. Tina mcvn news amdanyira chiti amposta these pictures yamuri kuona pandamira chiti engineer Collins Takunda Mnangagwa continues to make headlines after being honored for his contribution to the community development and economic empowerment as the community builders in Africa Awards held in Harare on Friday. The award came just days after he was named among Zimbabwe's top 40 under 40 project managers by the Chartered Institute of Project Management Zimbabwe (CIPMZ). Meanwhile, President Emmerson Mnangagwa recently promoted 9 Zimbabwe National Army officers from the rank of major to lieutenant colonel with his son Sean Mnangagwa. Doma developments are kuda panguva ino chinokonzi the Mnangagwa sons, they are being elevated, they are rising. Zvichiitika at a critical time. Inoonekwa kunzi as Zimbabwe zvikananda pushing for my constitutional amendments, these amendments they are going to scrape power and concentrate it to one family. Panguva inei the appointments pamwechete nekupromotwa kunoitwa these Mnangagwa sons zviri kuva zvichipa masignals. And panguva ino any promotion kana any transition inenge ichiita these Mnangagwa sons inenge iritori nemaspeculations behind. People might not understand it now, but they will notice it and discover it, and it will make sense later. Pana comment section medu zafura ili motu kulipa msarupe chiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.